How to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app or go to the website and log into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Your Channel to go to your channel page. Next, tap on the Playlists tab. Here, you'll see an option called New Playlist. Tap on it. Now, enter a name for your playlist. Make it something descriptive so viewers know what the playlist is about. After that, choose the privacy settings. Public, everyone can see it. Unlisted, only people with the link can see it. Private, only you can see it. Once you've set the privacy, tap Create. Your playlist is now ready. To add videos, simply tap Add Videos, search for the video, select it, and tap Add. Quick tip: you can also reorder videos or edit the playlist settings anytime by tapping on the playlist and selecting Edit. And that's it. Now you know how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel and organize your content like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.